So, I got these. I traded these for my original ones that were like this. And then I realized I was going to take a lot more engineering to get these onto my car than I really wanted to put up with. So, I figured out a way. You can just take this part of the badge off, and it will line up right along here and fill in right there up until I think about here. Kind of like that. And looks pretty good. I've already done it with the driver's side. So all you have to do is take these two screws out and then figure out where these line up in here. It should be approximately here, right about there, and I want to say right about here. It's kind of hard to see that, but I will go ahead and drill the holes and get it all put together, and then I will show you with the holes in it and on the back side. So after some wiggling and aligning, this is where the dots will go. Mark them in silver Sharpie. And I will also take the time to run my Dremel over all of these little ridges that are around the edge, so that way this sits flatter in this, or around on this part, on these parts. Makes it look a little nicer, sit a little better. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get to grinding this down real quick and drilling out these holes. And then we will talk about I will show you the longer screws that you'll need to reach from the back of this all the way to these, because the ones that were on this were perfect for their proper application, not the application that we're using them for. Now, the original screws that hold these on are those guys. They're not very big. I swapped them out for these, which give you a lot more room to grab on. And as you can see, this one's already held on in the front by one. So we'll go ahead and stick that guy in the back, and we'll be ready to go install this.
Oh, hey.